Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I want to share with you about first, sunnah of fasting, second, makruh and haram during fasting, and third, type of obligatory and sunnah fasting in Islam. So, let's go. Sunnah of fasting. Number 1. Eating suhoor. Eating suhoor can give your body energy and you will able to maximize your productivity and focus. Many people miss the suhoor because it can be difficult to wake up before dawn and eat. If you wake up in this blessed time, you are not only can eat suhoor, but you also can make dua, perform a tahajjud prayer, zikir, and istighfar. This is an optimal time for worship and you are not busy at this time. Number 2. Break the fast as soon as you can. When it's time to break the fast, Muslims are encouraged to break their fast as soon as they can. Sahal bin Sa'ad reported Prophet Muhammad SAW say, "The people will continue to prosper as long as they hasten the breaking of the fast." Number 3. Break the fast with date. In one hadith narrated by Anas ibn Malik, the Prophet Muhammad used to break his fast before praying with some fresh date. But if there were no fresh date, he had a few dry dates. And if there were no dry date, he took some mouthful of water. Number 4. Avoid yourself from getting angry, swearing, and negative talk. When you are fasting, you should practice more good attitude and restrain yourself from doing anything that can impact you in a bad way. The Prophet ﷺ told us, fasting is a protection for you. So, when you are fasting, do not behave obscenely or foolishly. And if anyone agree with you or abuse you, say, "I am fasting, I am fasting." So, whenever you are in a situation that forces you to be angry or upset, try to calm yourself down. Remember, Allah will reward those who are patient and being well-mannered. Number 5. Feeding people. Feeding people is one of the highly rewarded and most recommended act by the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Rasulullah SAW said, "Whoever provide the food for a fasting person to break his fast with, then for him is the same reward as the fasting person, without anything being diminished from the reward of the fasting person." This act could be done in a variety of ways. For example, you can cooking the food by yourself or you can buy it. After that, you can share it with your neighbor, your friends, and your family. Makruh and haram during fasting. Number 1. Delay breaking the fast. Number 2. Hastening the suhoor. Number 3. Taste food with tongue. And number 4. Rinse excessively. First, backbiting, second, gossiping, and third, telling lie. The vile word spoken while fasting does not cancel the fast. However, it can cause one fast to be useless and get nothing but hunger and thirst. Type of obligatory and sunnah fasting. There are 4 types of obligatory fast. Number 1. Fasting during the month of Ramadan. Number 2. Qada fasting. Number 3. Kafarat fasting. And number 4. Nazar fasting. Types of sunnah fasting. Number 1. Fasting on the day of Arafah. 2. Fasting on the day of Ashura and Tasu'ah. 3. Fasting on the Monday and Thursday. 4. Fasting for 3 days of each month. And 5. Fasting 6 days in the month of Shawwal.